Namaste to all the yogis. In today's session, we will practice Vakrasan. Vakrasan is a gentle twisting pose which removes toxins from the body to give you a better and clean body. All the asanas which involve twisting also stimulates your liver and pancreas. With the activation of pancreas gland, you also stay away from diabetes. So step by step, we will look at this wonderful position. First, sit in a comfortable position. First, open your legs in Dandasana. Both legs straight. First, fold your leg from the knee and place it close to the other leg. Now in this position, my left leg is up. So, I will place my left hand behind my hip and the right arm will go against this left knee. You can cross your knee or you can hold it like this. First, with inhale, you are going to lift your spine, and with the exhalation, you will start twisting. You can adjust yourself. Breathe. Make sure your twisting will start from your stomach, then from your chest, and last from your shoulder and your neck. Stay for 5 to 7 breaths. Then with slow inhalation back to the center. Now straight your leg. This time I am bending my right leg and placing it close to the left leg. Now right hand is going behind my right hip. Place it. Now hold the right leg with your left arm. First straight your spine with strong inhalation. Now with exhalation, start twisting from your stomach first, then your chest and then shoulders. Back and relax. This twisting starts from the stomach and goes to the neck region. If you want to make your spine flexible and strong, this asana is very good. This pose massage intestine, and that is why it removes constipation forever. If you have liver cirrhosis, liver inflammation, then this posture greatly helps you. If you want to reduce your weight, then Vakrasan can be immensely beneficial. If we talk about limitations, pregnant ladies should practice it very gently. If we talk about the duration of this asana, it is up to you. Whatever your body allows, do this. Never overstretch your body in this asana. Most of the people are overstretching their bodies too much, and that is why they are catching injuries. Also, your breathing should be very relaxed in this position. This asana can be practiced mornings as well as evenings. It should be practiced empty stomach, and you can achieve full results when you practice this asana daily in your routine. Please share this video to your friends and relatives so that they can benefit from this wonderful pose.